Merge sort, probably the easiest and the only algorithm that dominates. Merge sort uses a divide and conquer approach. We divide the problem into smaller problems. It divides the array into halves until you get one element arrays, then it merges every array into sorted order until there's only one. Overall, it has a time complexity of O of n log n. Before I move on, I will explain you an algorithm that helps later in the video. Let's say I have two sorted lists and want to merge them into a bigger sorted one. We will get two pointers I and j, and until we reach the end of any array, we will compare the values of those indices and add a smaller one. In this case, 1 is smaller than 2, so we add 1. I grows, 3 is bigger than 2, so we put 2 here. J grows, 3 is smaller than 4, so I put 3. I goes more, and we put 4. And because there are still elements that hasn't been used, we just add them at the end. This has a complexity of O n plus m time. We are going to sort this array. As I said, merge sort divides into two halves every time until every element is in their own array. Like this. It divides again, and now there's every element is in their own array. Now we are going to use the algorithm discussed earlier. So we merge those arrays into sorted order, like this. Again, we sort like this until the entire array is sorted. Now let's code merge sort. For that, we'll have to make two function merge that takes two parameters, two vectors. And merge sort itself, or the divide function, that takes these parameters. We can start with the dividing the merge sort function by making these functions. So firstly, we have to get the center of our current array, this one, and call again recursively merge sort 3 times, and then we have to merge those arrays. So we have from left to middle, middle plus 1, and right. Merge is a little bit complicated. We make two ends that just tells us how many elements are there in every array. Two temporary vectors and the right and two elements. We have to copy the data from every element, and now we have to use the algorithm that we discussed earlier for merging two sorted arrays. So if the element in the first array is smaller than that one, we have smaller than the element from the other one, we just put it first and grow I. Else we do the same thing and grow J. K always grows because we always add an element. If there are remaining elements, you must add them. We know that this will be sorted because one of the arrays, the one with the smaller elements, has already been used, and you know that they are sorted. This is the code. You now run it and try it. As you can see, it sorted it correctly. If you want to see more algorithms explained deeply, please subscribe and maybe like.